Welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're taking an in-depth look at the REDTIGER F17 Plus 4-channel dash cam. A premium all-in-one solution for capturing every angle of your vehicle, both inside and out. This dash cam offers 360-degree full coverage with its advanced 4-channel system. At the front, there's a 2.7K camera equipped with the Star VIS-2 sensor, providing crystal-clear video, even in low light or tunnels. The cabin and rear cameras record in 1080p, giving you complete visibility of passengers, rear traffic, and even side blind spots. You can customize the coverage with 1, 2, 3, or 4 channel modes depending on your needs. One of the standout features is the dual-lens rear camera, which combines lenses for the rear road and the cabin. This camera rotates 360 degrees, letting you monitor children, pets, or valuables inside the car while still capturing the road behind you. The infrared night vision on both the front and cabin cameras ensures reliable recording around the clock without disturbing your passengers with visible light. The F17 Plus also includes built-in GPS to track your routes, speed, and locations, which can be essential for retracing trips or verifying incidents. Connecting to your smartphone is seamless thanks to the ultra-fast 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi. Through the REDTIGER Cam app, you can preview footage in real time, download videos quickly at speeds up to 20 megabytes per second, and easily adjust settings. Controlling the dash cam is intuitive. You can use the 3-inch touchscreen or hands-free voice commands, making it convenient to review footage or change settings without taking your eyes off the road. The dash cam is powered by a supercapacitor, which is more reliable than traditional batteries, ensuring it can withstand extreme heat or freezing temperatures. For security, the F17 Plus features a parking mode with a G sensor and loop recording. This allows continuous recording while your car is parked, capturing any suspicious activity or collisions. With the G sensor automatically locking important footage, the included 128GB memory card gives you plenty of storage to start, with support for up to 512GB. In the box, you'll find the dash cam itself, the dual-lens rear camera, a long 21.3-foot rear camera cable, an 11.5-foot power supply with car charger, adhesive mount, cable clips, user manual, and the 128GB memory card. Installation is straightforward, and the included accessories make it easier to set up a fully functional 4-channel system in virtually any car. The REDTIGER F17 Plus is clearly designed for those who want complete coverage, night vision, and reliable performance in a single dash cam package. Its combination of high-resolution video, versatile camera angles, fast Wi-Fi connectivity, GPS tracking, and supercapacitor power makes it a top contender for families, rideshare drivers, and anyone looking to protect their vehicle. If you're serious about capturing every detail on the road and inside your car, the REDTIGER F17 Plus is a comprehensive solution worth considering. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on the latest tech reviews.